Welcome to the KTAL Slack workplace. I want to take just a few minutes to provide an introduction, tell you why we've introduced it, and how we can make it work smoothly for everyone. So we would like Slack to be our communications hub. There's no advertising, there's no algorithm, and we decide what we want to include. It's where we can keep station conversations in one organized place. Instead of sifting through endless email threads or trying to remember who texted who, Slack gives us clear channels for different topics and lets everyone decide how plugged in they want to be. No longer do you need to worry about if you should click reply or reply all. Just add the information that's important, and each person can decide what channels they're interested in. So Slack is made up of different channels, and each channel has a purpose. For example, right now Events is for organizing your remotes and could also include other events. Control room support lets hosts and producers know about changes in the control room, and General is for big station-wide announcements. Try to keep your messages related to the topic of the channel. If it doesn't fit, you can add it to the random channel. Let me know about it, maybe I'll add another one, or you can add a channel yourself. To find out what's available, you can click Add Channel and then choose Browse Channels to see what there is now. Threads are helpful to keep the conversation organized. When you reply to a message, use the Reply in Thread option. That keeps the conversation tidy instead of cluttering the channel. If you want to be sure someone sees your reply, mention them. Click the @ symbol and then start typing in their name. You are in control of the notifications you receive. You can set how often you get notified and adjust Do Not Disturb hours. This way Slack works around your schedule instead of interrupting it. Slack is a Swiss Army knife of communication tools. That does make it a bit confusing, especially if you're just getting started. You can direct message people, or you can add a message to a channel. You can even make audio calls and video calls. If it's just between you and another person, a direct message is fine. If it involves more people or station operations, keep it in a channel. That way everyone can see what's going on and help if needed. Key info is easy to find. If you're ever looking for something like Wi-Fi information or when the next market show is going to be, check the tabs at the top of a channel. You can also use the search box to find information you're looking for. Finally, keep it friendly, stay on topic, and don't be afraid to ask questions, especially in public channels. Chances are someone else has the same question and will benefit from the answer. Slack is meant to make our work at KTAL smoother and more collaborative. It's not perfect, and we're still figuring it out, but maybe the best thing about it is we get to shape how it works. So finding and sharing information will be easier, and helping out or getting help on a project will be simpler for everyone.